Hi, I'm Tracey Malady. Welcome to my little urban workshop. I have a new parting tool. It's an Easy Wood parting tool. It's 1/8 of an inch wide, however it tapers down to a smaller measurement, which means when you're plunging it into a piece of wood to part something, it's not going to catch. With traditional parting tools, the bar is the same thickness all the way. So when you're going into a piece of wood, you have to actually pull it out, cut an extra width to allow that tool to move, otherwise the tool gets caught. There are various size parting tools, but to be honest, this size, the 1/8 of an inch, is probably the one that I'd use most. Like the other Easy Wood tools, the Replaceable Carbide Cutter tip is terrific. There's no sharpening to be done, and being carbide, it stays sharp for an extremely long time. Replacing the tip is easy. You'll get a little gadget with this when you get your parting tool. It's got a long pin and a short pin. The long pin goes in the little hole that's provided. The short pin goes behind the cutter. You just gently push it and the cutter will come out. To put the new cutter back in place, just pop it in. There's little V grooves that will guide the cutter into place. Big pin in the hole, and just tap slightly the little pin against the cutter just to secure it. That's all you need to do. Okay, let's have a play. As you can see, it parted the wood beautifully, left nice clean cuts. You cannot rotate this. I know with a lot of parting tools, you can create bevels by turning the parting tool. You can't do that with the Easy Wood tool. It is purely for parting, but gee, it did a good job of it. The carbide cutter made for a nice clean cut. I was able to go all the way through to the center without pulling it out because of that tapered tip. I have a finial that I think I'm ready to use, and it needs to be parted off. It's situations like this that I appreciate a narrow parting tool. This is a finial I want to use on a lid that I've made, and there's not a lot of space between the finial and the block that's holding it in the jaws. So if I was to use a wide parting tool, most of my little tenon there would disappear. So this is perfect for the job. Look, if you've only got one parting tool, or you're only thinking about buying one parting tool, the 1/8 of an inch size is definitely advantageous over the wider size. You could use it in more situations such as this. Every wood turner needs a parting tool, and I really like this one. If you'd like further information, just click on the link below, and thanks for watching. Okay, Scout, come on.